Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me go to the contacts. And here we've got obviously the full list, so just find the contact and tap on it. And now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Tap on add picture, and here we've got different sections, so we can either enter our own gallery and choose our own photo as a picture contact, contact photo. We can also open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Monogram, so we can use one or two different letters. We can change the background color, change the font. We can also use emojis. Just tap inside the circle and you can choose the emoji from available options. So I don't know, maybe this unicorn. So it will appear right here. You can also change the background color. Moreover, you can set the monochrome option. So right now we've got the emoji style option applied, but after tapping on this monochrome, we will have more like icon illustration, let's say. And here we've got illustrations, and basically they are free of charge and available online. So if you don't feel like using Monogram or any kind of your photos, you can choose something from those options. And just tap on the photo illustration, you can choose the presets. You can also crop the picture. You can zoom it in or out. You can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contacts will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.